Let me ask you something. Why is it so easy to understand English, but so hard to speak it? Why do the words disappear the moment you try to talk? Today, we fix that. In the next few minutes, I'm going to train your mind, your tongue, and your confidence, so you can finally speak English clearly, naturally, and without fear. Don't just listen. Speak with me. Your new English voice starts right now. You are going to improve your English conversation skills in a clear, simple, and powerful way. But before we begin, you need to understand something very important. Conversation is not about perfect grammar. Conversation is about connection. Many English learners hesitate because they think they must speak perfectly. They think every sentence must be exact. They think mistakes are something to fear. But here is the truth. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Trying is the only way to improve. And improvement is the only way to master conversation. So today, I want you to relax. Slow down. Listen to my voice. Repeat after me when I ask you to repeat. And imagine that we are having a real conversation, a comfortable, friendly, easy conversation. This lesson is designed to help you speak more confidently. Use daily English naturally. Understand simple conversation structures. Respond quickly. Think in English. And build real fluency. You do not need big words. You do not need complicated sentences. You only need clear expression, simple language, and consistent practice. So let's begin your English conversation transformation. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Feel your mind becoming focused and calm. Now say this slowly. I can speak better English. Repeat. Now say. I can communicate clearly. Repeat. And finally say. I am becoming confident. Repeat. Good. Your mindset is now ready. Let's start your journey. Part 1: The foundation of good conversation. Great conversation skills begin with one thing: clarity. You don't need big, fancy phrases. You only need sentences that are clear, simple, direct, easy to understand. Let me show you the foundation. Every conversation in English has 3 basic steps. 1. Start the conversation. 2. Share your message. 3. Continue with follow-up questions. If you understand these 3 steps, you can speak with anyone. Let's start with step 1, starting a conversation. Here are simple, natural ways to start. Hi, how are you? Hello, nice to meet you. How's everything? Good to see you. How's your day going? Now repeat this one slowly. Hi, how are you? Repeat. Good. Now step 2, sharing your message. This is where most learners get stuck. They don't know what to say after the greeting. But here is the secret. You only need short sentences. Examples. I'm good, thank you. Everything is okay. I'm a little tired today. I'm busy but doing fine. I'm excited about this week. Repeat this simple sentence. I'm doing fine, thank you. Repeat. Now step 3, continue the conversation. This is where English learners often freeze. But you won't freeze after this lesson. The easiest way to keep a conversation going is by asking simple follow-up questions. Example. What about you? How about your day? What are you working on? How do you feel today? Repeat this one. What about you? Repeat. When you combine these 3 steps, greeting, message, follow-up question, you can talk to anyone. Let's practice a full mini conversation. Listen first. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. What about you? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Now repeat it slowly with confidence. Hi, how are you? Repeat. I'm good, thank you. What about you? Repeat. Excellent. You now understand the foundation. Part 2, learn the power of short, simple sentences. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is creating long, complicated sentences. Long sentences create stress. Stress destroys confidence. And without confidence, your conversation dies. So today, I want to give you a powerful rule. Use short, simple sentences. Short sentences are strong. Short sentences are confident. Short sentences are easy to speak. Here are examples of long sentences that are difficult. I was wondering if maybe you would like to go somewhere with me because I think it might be fun. Too long. Too heavy. Too stressful. Now here is the simple, natural version. Do you want to go out? It will be fun. Easy. Natural. Let's try another. I wanted to tell you that I really appreciate your support yesterday because it helped me a lot. Too much. Simple version. Thank you for your help yesterday. It meant a lot. Feel the difference. Short sentences feel safe. They keep your mind calm. Now practice. Short sentences are easy. Repeat. Short sentences are powerful. Repeat. Here are more useful short conversational sentences. I agree. I'm not sure. That sounds good. I understand. Really. Tell me more. Exactly. I like that. Good idea. Now repeat this easy one. That sounds good. Repeat. Now this one. Tell me more. Repeat. These two sentences alone can keep 60% of conversations alive. Short sentences are your best friend. Use them everywhere. Let them carry the conversation for you. Part 3. Practice the 5 key conversation structures. Approximate 550 words. Conversation becomes easy when you know the right structures. Today you will learn the 5 most important ones. Structure 1. Ask plus answer plus ask. This technique keeps a conversation alive naturally. Example. A. Where are you from? B. I'm from Pakistan. What about you? Let's practice the pattern. Ask answer ask. Repeat this sentence. I'm from underscore 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 underscore. What about you? Repeat. Structure 2. Agree plus add information. This makes you sound natural. Example. A. I like traveling. B. I agree. I enjoy visiting new places. Repeat. I agree. I enjoy it too. Repeat. Structure 3. Disagree politely. You need this to sound confident, not rude. Example. A. I think English is easy. B. I see your point, but I think it can be difficult. Repeat. I see your point, but I feel differently. Repeat. Structure 4. Share your opinion. A very simple, beginner-friendly way. I think. I feel. In my opinion. For me. Repeat. In my opinion, practice is important. Repeat. Structure 5. Express your feelings. Daily conversations need emotions. I'm happy about that. I'm worried about this. I'm excited. I'm not comfortable. Repeat. I'm excited about this. Repeat. These 5 structures give you 80% of daily fluency. Part 4. Build your speaking speed slowly. Many learners speak either too fast or too slow. Too fast mistakes. Too slow hesitation. You need a natural, calm speed. Here's the rule. Speak slowly enough to think, but quickly enough to sound normal. Let's practice a slow rhythm. Repeat after me. I speak clearly. Repeat. I speak with confidence. Repeat. I speak at my own pace. Repeat. Here's a sentence. Say it slowly. I want to improve my English conversation skills. Repeat. Now say it a little faster. I want to improve my English conversation skills. Repeat. Now normal speed. I want to improve my English conversation skills. Repeat. This slow medium normal method helps your brain adjust naturally. Part 5, Guided Daily Speaking Practice. This section is your real practice. Follow my voice carefully. Practice 1, introduce yourself. Say this slowly. My name is underscore 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 dot. Repeat. I am from underscore 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 dot. Repeat. I enjoy learning English. Repeat. Practice 2, talk about your day. I woke up early today. Repeat. I had breakfast. Repeat. I went to work. Repeat. My day was good. Repeat. Practice 3, express feelings. I feel motivated. Repeat. I feel calm. Repeat. I feel confident. Repeat. Practice 4, ask simple questions. What do you do? Repeat. Where do you live? Repeat. What are your hobbies? Repeat. What is your plan today? Repeat. Practice 5, respond naturally. That's interesting. Repeat. I didn't know that. Repeat. Really? Tell me more. Repeat. I understand. Repeat. Good. This is real conversation practice. Part 6, learn to think in English. This is your next level. You cannot speak fast if you translate in your head. Your brain becomes slow. Your sentences become broken. Your confidence disappears. So here is your next rule. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. How? 1. Describe your daily actions in English. 2. Use simple sentences in your mind. 3. Talk to yourself in English for 2 minutes daily. Let's try it now. Think and say. I am listening. Repeat. I am learning. Repeat. I am improving. Repeat. Good. Part 7, the 10 conversation boosters. These are powerful habits that make you sound fluent fast. 1. Smile. People respond better. 2. Keep eye contact. Shows confidence. 3. Use the person's name. Feels personal. 4. Ask follow-up questions. Keeps conversation alive. 5. Use short pauses. Helps clarity. 6. Avoid big grammar stress. Focus on communication. 7. Use natural fillers. Well. Let me think. 8. React to what people say. Wow. Really. 9. Be curious. Ask simple questions. 10. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes. Repeat this final booster. I practice every day. Repeat. Part 8, final guided conversation practice. Now let's do a full guided conversation. Repeat after me as if you are talking to a real person. Hi. How are you? Repeat. I'm doing fine, thank you. What about you? Repeat. Great. What are you doing today? Repeat. That sounds good. Repeat. For me, I'm just relaxing. Repeat. Tell me more. Repeat. Wow, that's interesting. Repeat. I agree with you. Repeat. It was nice talking to you. Repeat. Perfect. Your speaking rhythm is getting stronger. You just completed a full English conversation improvement lesson. But remember, one lesson cannot change your life. Daily practice will. Speak a little every day. Use simple sentences. Ask questions. Repeat natural expressions. Think in English whenever you can. Say this final affirmation with confidence. I am improving every day. Repeat. I can speak better English. Repeat. I am becoming fluent. Repeat. Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Your fluency is no longer a dream. It is a process. And today, you took a strong step forward.